In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix missing time entries in QuickBooks Time step by step using the browser version. We'll walk through this from start to finish so you can quickly restore any hours that didn't get captured. We're using the browser version here, so make sure you're signed in with a role that can add or edit time, like an admin or manager. If you manage multiple teams or companies, double-check that you're in the correct account before you begin. Start by opening your browser and logging in to QuickBooks Time. For best results, use a supported, up-to-date browser and close any extra tabs that might slow things down. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Time Entries. This takes you to the central area where all recorded hours appear, and it's where you can add anything that's missing. Next, use the Date selector to navigate to the exact day where the time entry is missing. Be sure you're on the right date and, if applicable, that your time zone settings are correct so the hours line up as expected. It's easy to accidentally land on the wrong week, so take a moment to confirm. When you're on the right day, click Add Time. This opens a new time card. Start by selecting the team member who should receive the hours. If you don't see the person you need, you may not have permission to edit their time, so check your access or ask an admin for help. Now enter the start time and end time. Pay attention to AM and PM and make sure the times don't overlap with any existing entries for that person. Accuracy matters here for payroll, billing, and reporting. If you're reconstructing a shift from memory, cross-check with schedules, messages, or job notes to get as close as possible to the real start and stop. If you track work by customer or job, assign the correct customer or job. This ensures the time flows to job costing, invoicing, and project reports properly. Pick the most specific job available so the hours land in the right bucket. Add any required service item. This classifies the type of work performed, which can affect payroll rules, billing rates, or internal reporting. Choose the item that best matches the work completed during those hours. When everything looks good, click Save to record the time entry. You should now see the new entry listed for that date and team member. Take a quick look to confirm the duration, job, and service item are correct. If you need to fix anything, you can reopen the entry and adjust. That's it. Your missing time is now back in place. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.